How to use Microsoft Bookings with multiple attendees. In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Bookings with multiple attendees. So, to use Microsoft Bookings with multiple attendees, first go ahead and head over into that booking page where you'll offer that services. So go ahead and open that booking page by clicking on that booking page and then head over into the services tab inside that booking page. And then on the services tab, go ahead and click on this add a new service button at the top left and then name the service as your preferred naming for this. For example, I want this to be named as group meeting. So I'll simply name it as group meeting and then set the description for the specific service and then set the location. If you're going to do this face to face, you can enable add online meeting if this is actually offered online, and then set the duration of this service, such as this meeting, and then set the price and then set the notes that you have for this. Now, since you want to create multiple attendees for one service, go ahead and set this to your preferred amount of attendees. So, for example, the maximum number of attendees that you want for this specific meeting is 10. Simply set it to 10 and then click on the Save Changes button to add the service into your services. And that is how you can basically use Microsoft Bookings with multiple attendees. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.